Welcome to Maharashtra Sales and Services, supplier and service provider of air conditioning equipments. The company was incorporated in 2011 at Pune. Our products are applicable in auditoriums, hospitals, factories, and other areas. Customized solutions, spacious warehouse facility and time-bound deliveries make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a wide assortment of split, ducted split and packaged air conditioners. Our split, ducted split and packaged air conditioners are well known for their outstanding performance. We offer window, precision, and cassette air conditioners that are best in the industry amongst others. Industrial chillers, refrigerator, and air conditioner services offered by us are extremely reliable. We offer cold room services and split air conditioners for shopping malls that are one of the best in the market. Our precision air conditioners for computer rooms and window air conditioners for homes are a class apart. For more information, log on at www.maharashtrasales.com.